Let's see. Come on, Finn. Here she
You've been asked that
comes.
same question for the last 3
Here
weeks.
she comes. Here she comes. Pull yourself up. Pull yourself up. Yay! Yay! Oh. Hey, give your sister. Can you give your sister a kiss, Graydon? Can you give her a kiss? Mwah. Oh, what a good boy. Say hi.
Yeah.
Can you say mom?
Mom.
Can you say dad?
Dad.
Can you say baby?
Baby.
Can you say Stella?
Dad.
Can you say Pop Pop?
Papa.
Can you say JJ?
Dada.
Yeah.
Can you say baby?
Baby.
Yay!
Can you say Choo Choo Train?
Choo choo.
Can you say Jesus?
Show us up. Can you say down?
Down.
How about push? Show me push.
Bush.
How about pull?
Whoa.
Yeah.
Pull.
Push.
Push.
Pull.
Whoa.
Where are your eyes?
Where your
Nose?
ears?
Nose. Where's your
Ears.
ears?
Where's your mouth?
Where's your belly button?
Where's your belly button?
Good.
There it is. Where's your booty? Where's your back? Yeah.
head?
Where's your hair?
Where's your brains?
Yeah.
Where's your clothes?
Where's your feet?
Are you doing jumping jacks? Can you do a back somersault? Can you show us a somersault? Woo! Good job.
Show us how to jump. He's
Can you
like
show
your
us
own-
some
He's
jumps?
like your own personal
Yeah.
training seal.
Can you show us some dances? Some dancing? What kind of crazy dancing is that?
It's like the
That's
whole thing.
dancing?
He's got some Indian blood in him.
Finley!
He's like he's starting a war dance.
Hi, Fin Fin! Who's a big girl? Who's Mama's big girl? Hi, Fin Fin! Look at your bruises from doinking yourself. Whoa. Almost.
Timber.
Almost. Almost. Hey, do some dancing, Graydon, so Finley laughs. Come here.
Graydon, come here and make Finley laugh.
Ah. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Gigi, come here. Come here. Get over here.
Oh, thank
Where's your
you.
brother?
Yay, thank
What's he
you.
doing?
Mwah.
What's he doing?
Graydon, come make Finley laugh.
I got a wedding invitation.
Do some more.
Do some more. More.
Oh, she just totally yacked. All right. Video ends. Oh, yeah. Okay.
Okay. No.